I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the exact file you want. This avoids blurry scaling later. Once you locate the image on Google Images, open it in a new tab to confirm resolution and file quality, because Windows fills the screen based on pixels. Next, save the picture to your Pictures folder so it's easy to find. Make sure the file name is simple and no spaces or unusual symbols. This prevents issues when setting it as wallpaper. Now you put the file onto your desktop. Open Settings and go to Personalization, then Background, so Windows can apply display options correctly. Click Picture and browse to the image you saved earlier. Windows shows a preview so you can evaluate crop and alignment. Once selected, choose a fit mode: Fill for full coverage, Fit for no cropping, or Center for exact pixel placement, because the right mode preserves composition and avoids stretched or pixelated results. Finish by verifying the wallpaper across displays so you don't get unexpected scaling on secondary monitors. If the image looks blurry, that means resolution mismatch. Grab a larger source or change the fit mode to prevent stretching. If the desktop still shows the old background, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager or sign out and back in. This forces the UI to refresh. Remember to keep a backup copy in Pictures so you can reapply the exact file whenever needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.